Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring you have administrator access because changes require elevated rights. Once signed in, close other programs to avoid conflicts and save files. Next, open the Start menu, type Supportassist, and choose Run as administrator. This opens the app with full control. While the app launches, note the version and account details so you can reverse changes later. Make sure to proceed now to the app settings to stop automatic diagnostics and updates. You're in the app settings. Focus on automation first because that's what runs without prompting. In Settings or Preferences, locate Automated System Cleanup and Scheduled Scans, then switch them off to prevent future background activity. Next, disable automatic update checks so Supportassist won't relaunch to update itself. If remote support or alerts are enabled, toggle those off too. Once done, the app will stop initiating scans and network calls. This reduces background, CPU, disk, and telemetry behavior. Now you stop the service and remove auto start so Supportassist stays off. Open Services. MSC, find Dell Supportassist and related services, right-click, choose Properties, and set Startup Type to Disabled, then stop the service. Open Task Manager, Startup tab, and disable Supportassist entries. If you prefer complete removal, run programs and features and uninstall Supportassist, follow prompts and reboot. If something breaks, re-enable the service or reinstall support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.